Hello students, I am Sasi Bhushan Mishra, available to teach the students of class 11 mathematics. So the topic is, the chapter is the last chapter of trigonometry, trigonometric equation, how the trigonometric equation can be solved. So first of all, ensure the three types, there must be three types of equations written here. Sin x is equal to sin alpha, cos x is equal to cos alpha, tan x is equal to tan alpha. For all the three types, there will be three different solutions. For first, x is equal to n pi. N is any integer, plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. This alpha will be continue here, x here, sin deleted from both sides. Likewise, cos x is equal to cos alpha, x is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha, tan x is equal to tan alpha, x is equal to n pi plus alpha. These are the solutions. If the equations are in this format, all are same, a square format, then for all x is equal to n pi plus minus alpha, where n is a member of integer, if required, we can take m is a member of integer, p is a member of integer, q is a member of integer. So now just see, this is the 9th number problem. This is a very urgent problem. Solve the equation. To solve the equation, we make the pair first, sin 6x and sin 2x. Just see the formula, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So making this pair, sin 4x separated. So we are getting sin 4x, 6x plus 2x. So this is called sin 4x. Let's see. Sin 4x and sin 4x. If sin 4x is taken common, this 1 is left. So we are getting like this, either this 0 or this 0. Either this 0 or this 0. So we are getting cos 2x is equal to cos minus 1 by 2 and sin 4x 0. So sin 4x is equal to sin 0. So 4x is equal to this formula, n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into 0. Due to this 0, only n pi exists. Only n pi exists. So x is equal to this, where n is a member of integer, proved. Now just see, just see the problem, this minus 1 by 2. How will you find minus 1 by 2? It is too difficult, because in first and second chapter I have discussed how to find the value of minus 1 by 2 in cos. Now just see, cos 60 degree 1 by 2 is known to you. In this quadrant 60 less, in this quadrant 60 more, in this quadrant 60 less. This theory, activate this theory and find the value successfully. So just see, 60 degree selected and 60 less is than 180. 60 more than 180. 60 more than 180. 180 में 60 ऐड कर दो, 180 से 60 माइनस कर दो, तो 120 and 240. Again 60 less, 60 degree less you can say, than 360 degree. This is 360 degree, line of 360, this is line of 180. So no need to write unnecessary all these. No need to write all these. This is self-understood that if 60 is selected in this quadrant, 180 minus 60, 180 plus 60. So we have selected minus 1 by 2. This minus 1 by 2 has been selected to do the problem. Minus 1 by 2, 120 degree. The first principal solution is taken. So now n, here n is written, but sometimes n, m, p, q. If various equations are there in a single problem, you can use m and p. Similarly, there are two equations, first and second. So I have used n here and m here, where m is a member of integer and n is a member of integer. Now the next problem, just wait. Just see the next urgent problem, 10th number, 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x. Very difficult, students. 2 cos square x plus 3 sin x. If sine, there must be sine in both sides, there must be cos in both sides, there must be tan in both sides, there must be a square in both sides. But there are two terms, one is cos, other is sine. So all must be converted either to cos or to sine, or otherwise you are not going to answer the question. Let it convert. You know from class 10, 2 cos square x is 1 minus sine square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Now break the bracket. 2 minus 2 sine square x plus 3 sin x is equal to 0. Now write in proper order. This is minus 2 sine square x plus 3 sin x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now changing the sign of all terms, the starting negative is a bad loop. So change it. 2 sine square x minus 3 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now splitting the mid-term, you know how to split the mid-term. 2 2 ja 4. So 4 1 ja 4. So these two are the factors. This implies 2 sine square x minus 4 sin x plus 1 sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now just see 2 sin x common, sin x minus 2 plus 1 common, sin x minus 2, 0. So this is equal to 2 sin x plus 1 into sin x minus 2 is equal to 0. So children, we are getting the two factors. Both factors will give two different solutions. So separate it. Just see it being separated. One is 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. So sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is equal to sin x is equal to sine. Now we have to see in which quadrant this belongs. Minus 1 by 2. See the situation of sine. I taught you earlier. 1 by 2 sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, well known to you. Sine 30. Now 30 less, so sine 150. 30 more, sine 210. 30 less than 360. 360 and 180. So sine 330. Surprised, all are positive, all are half, all are half. Surprised. In this way you can recall your previous memory. But remember that the quadrant control is necessary. All students take copy, all positive. This is positive, sine positive, tan negative and negative. So we have to select the first one from this wise in positive direction, this. So this is being selected minus 1 by 2. Both are minus. So this is 210. So sine 210. After that you can use this formula. X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n. Alpha is 210, where n is a member of integer. So this answer is over. Now come to the second part, or sin x is equal to 2. Now see children, sin x is never 2. So this is impossible. Impossible. So the only solution is this. Remember, minus 1 is smaller than equal to sin x, is smaller than equal to 1. minus 1 is smaller than equal to cos x, which is smaller than equal to 1, minus infinity is less than 10x, is less than infinity. So these are the suggested requirements. Sometimes it will be used by you. So children, just remember that this is a separate chapter. Trigonometric equation is a separate chapter. It is easy to have a control over this chapter. Other part of trigonometry is really tough because of many formula, but remember that these formulas are helpful to you in reading engineering and technology, science and technology, physics. Wherever you will go, this formula will be required there. So that is why we are putting more stress on trigonometry. In 1 or 2 more videos I will finish the trigonometry. After that I have not decided what to be started. So thank you very much. Keep on watching and liking, and wherever your friends are there who are the lover of mathematics and who are the students of class 11, it is necessary. My other videos in the name of Shashi Bhushan Mishra are also being posted on YouTube. These are magical videos and of other qualities, fun with mathematics, etc. Never take them otherwise. Just these are being posted. These extraneous videos, extra videos other than the academic videos are being posted on the YouTube for your entertainment. So never take it otherwise, children. Thank you.